Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an free hosting panel. So today's video, the things we are going to use is Oracle free account, and the next one is virtual. Okay, so create an account on Oracle free tier account. So you will need a credit card with $2 in it. So next, and virtual min, we are going to install virtual min to use in our Ubuntu for an good interface and manage our domains and other things. So after getting an Oracle Cloud account, go to compute and instances. Then I terminated this one. I'm going to create another one. Like now I'm creating server 2 grwebdevs.com. So you can use your domain here. You will use your domain, like your domain. Okay, so next, now edit this, change image, change the image to Ubuntu and Ubuntu 22, this one, select and change the shape to get the maximum thing. Now right here 4 and click select shape. Now go to save this private key, save this public key, and specify a custom boot volume to 200 GB, so maximum, and this one to 120, and encrypt, use in transit encryption, and click create. Okay, so after clicking create, it will take some time to give you the IP and on the server, turning on the server. Okay, so in progress, 0% complete, 15% complete. Now the second step is you can use putty. Also I'm using the mobax term sub software to connect to my SSH, read session. Okay, sessions, go to sessions and SSH, and now here use private key and click here. Now find the downloaded private key, this one. Okay, and now here mod host. Now go here, you can see running, the machine is running. Now we got this public IP and paste it here, and the username is to specific username to, and I'm bookmarking it, create an desktop software shortcut, and now just click on OK, and it will connect to your server. Don't show this message again and click accept.